Artificial intelligence has been a topic of debate for several years now.
Artificial intelligence. And you can ask
in a time of artificial intelligence. Why?
As technology continues to evolve, so does the role of AI in our lives. While there are numerous benefits to using AI, it is also true that it has the potential to change the very fabric of society. One of the most significant concerns surrounding AI is the impact it has on employment. As machines become more intelligent, they are capable of performing tasks that were once exclusive to humans. This led to job losses in several industries, causing concerns for workers who fear that they may be replaced by machines. The use of AI is not limited to the workplace. Many technology companies are implementing AI in their software, making it more intelligent and efficient. From personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars, AI is becoming more prevalent in our daily lives. Perhaps the most controversial use of AI is in the development of humanoid robots. These robots are designed to look and act like humans, blurring the lines between men and machines. While some see this as an exciting development, others fear that it could lead to a loss of humanity as we become more reliant on machines. Despite the concerns surrounding AI, there are several benefits to this technology. For one, AI has the potential to make our lives easier and more efficient. Personal assistants like Siri and Alexa are capable of performing tasks such as setting reminders without the need for human intervention. This frees up our time and allows us to focus on more important things. AI can also be used to improve healthcare. For example, machine learning algorithms can be used to predict the likelihood of a patient developing a certain disease. This can help doctors to take preventative measures before the disease develops, potentially saving lives. There are also benefits to using AI in the workplace. For example, machines can perform dangerous tasks that would be too risky for humans. They can also work around the clock, increasing productivity and reducing the need for human labor. As with any new technology, there are both benefits and drawbacks to using AI. While it has the potential to make our lives easier and more efficient, it is also true that it has the potential to change the very nature of our society as we continue to develop and implement AI. It is also important that we consider the long-term implications of this technology and take steps to mitigate any negative consequences. AI is slowly changing the way we live our lives, from taking jobs to every tech company implementing AI in their software and the development of humanoid robots. AI is becoming more prevalent in every aspect of our lives. While there are concerns surrounding this technology, there are also numerous benefits to using AI.